The changing the white fat cells into beige cells is called paging. To change beige cells into brown fat cells is called browning. And the color red-brown of the brown fat cell is due to many mitochondria, and the mitochondria color is red-brown in color because it contains cytochrome, which are red and green, flavin, which are yellow, and iron-sulfur clusters, which are brown. So that's why the color of brown fat cells is red-brown. And the beige cells is also beige because it has few mitochondria, more than white fat cells and less than brown fat cells. The brown fat cells are rich in nerve fibers, which secrete adrenaline. Also, they are rich in blood vessels, which bring blood and contain oxygen and chemicals. So these brown fat cells are very metabolically active, and they control the body temperature, body energy, and also movement and exercises. So it helps regulation of body temperature, especially during the winter month, and in addition to the shivering of the striated muscles, which are skeletal muscles, and they are the muscle of movement and under our control, like the muscles in the leg, in the arms, and to avoid severe decrease in body temperature, which is called hypothermia. Hypo in Latin means low, thermia means temperature. If this hypothermia is severe, it will lead to coma, loss of consciousness, and even death. Why? Because the blood vessel will get constricted and there will be no more blood going to the cells. And the cells without blood and oxygen, it will die within 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes. Number 2, brown fat cells, it produce energy, which we need to movement, exercises, breathing, heart work, digestion, and to do all our function during the day and to stay survived in this complicated, difficult life. The other important factor or effect it will control the blood glucose in the blood, and there will be a reduction in the prediabetes and diabetes type 2. If brown fat cells are more, then our insulin sensitivity will be high and insulin resistance will decrease. So the blood glucose in the blood will be normalized and the cell health will be better all over the body because there will be no high sugar to combine with the protein to make it sticky, and this process is called glycation. Glycation. The brown fat cells, it burn fat at a very high metabolic rate. The intermediate metabolic rate will be the beige fat cells, and very low metabolic rate would be the white fat cells. But if brown fat cell work hard, then it will stimulate the white fat cells to burn the fat, and so the body weight will be decreased, and we will achieve our healthy, optimal body weight and control of our body weight. These are the values of the brown fat, and as you remember, the brown fat in adult is less than in infant and young children because the adults, they have more muscle mass, and this will shiver during exposure to cold, while children, they have less muscle mass. Also, athletes who have a big muscle mass, they will have more brown fat cell and they will burn more calories. So it is very healthy to have more brown fat, and this is the explanation, perhaps, or one of the explanation why exposure to cold is good and healthy, but it should be controlled and with mindfulness and consciousness and with rules and guidelines. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.